Okay, so in the last video we had the timer. Um, I did realize that I forgot to do one thing, so let's fix that and then we'll do the HUD display as well. So I'm going to go to Side Scroller BP, go to Blueprints, and then go to the game mode where I have this. So right now I have it subtracting everything, but if I subtract a minute right here, it just goes straight back to doing this right here. So I want to make sure that I reset this to 59 seconds before we go through and do everything again. So what I want to do is do a set seconds. So we're going to connect that here, and then this here, and then the new value for that. Oops, I did the wrong one. I want to just set seconds here. So let's connect that there, and then connect that to the countdown timer again, and then we're going to set this to 59. If not, it goes into negative numbers, and we don't want that to happen. So compile that, and just so that we can test it, let's put the seconds default to 10, and let's close out of this and test it. So if we go through here, we can see that it goes 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And once it goes to 0, it goes back to 59. So we can see that it goes straight to 59. It didn't show the 0, so we want to make sure that we do show the 0. So let's go back in there and let's look at where we are printing the values right here. So we're printing it right at the beginning, which doesn't necessarily allow us to see this as a 0. So let's take all of this and right click and collapse to function, just so that way we have it, and this is going to be print time. Okay, I'm going to connect this directly here and disconnect this, and let's look at where we want to print the time. So over here we want to print time, because that's going to be right before we start the timer again. Let's copy this. I'm going to select it, Control C, Control V to paste, and then I'm going to want to set it right here. Okay, let's compile this and let's test it. Play. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're not getting the 0, so let's look at the logic again. Okay, so we have it here. We're subtracting the time if it is 0 or less. So I think this is where we're having the issue. So instead of equals as the condition here, less than or equal to, we can say integer is less than. So that way, if it's less than 0, it will go through and do that. So let's play this here and see if we get that 0 now. 3, 2, 1, 0, then 59. Okay, so that looks great. And let's go back in here. Let's test the minutes right now. So if we have this, let's look at the minutes right now. So if it gets to, actually let me look at the test really quick. So let's close out of this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, then it should go to 3. Okay, that's good. So that is what I want for that. I just need to make sure that here, just like we had with the other one, we want it to be able to go to 0, but we don't want it to go into negative. So I'm going to delete this. And here it's going to be integer is less than 0. There you go. So let's compile that. Okay, and let's set the minutes to 0. And we can double check everything, so it's really only going to be a 10-second countdown now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Your time is up. Okay, so that is great. That is what we want for this. Let me separate this into the a separate video, and then I'll do the HUD in another video. So that is it for this one, where we just fixed the timer that we were missing some things in the last video, and then we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.